Hi there, this is Mrs. Michelson, and this is a recording for you to practice with if you have a solo on A Boy Like That. We're going to listen to the music, and I'm going to sing along with you, and I'll try to point to the words the best that I can. And hopefully it'll work for you to practice with it. You'll have the lyrics at home so you could read along with them if you need to. Here is A Boy Like That. This is Aunt Polly first. What do you do? What do you say to a boy like that who would not stay? Yes, what will make him see the way he ought to be? Oh, what do you do with a boy like that? Now the second time is Mary. Why does he do? Why does he do the things he does? Ask him why. He says because. So why does he refuse to mind his P's and Q's? Oh, what do you do with a boy like that? Third time is Sid. Where does he go? Where does he go? Where does he run? He seems to have a lot of fun. A word on his behalf, he always makes me laugh. Oh, what do you do with a boy like that? Now this time, we go first and everyone echoes us. What do you do? What do you say to a boy like that who would not stay? Who is what will make him see the way he ought to be? So what do you do with a boy like that? A boy like that? A boy like that? Hopefully you're able to follow along and this helps you some.